Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a continuation of my tips and tricks on Involve Asia. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So I've been with Involve Asia for almost 1 year and these tips are just based on my experience. So kumikita ko ng kaunti, at least a decent money out of this. I'll be sharing this to you. So tip number 2 is caption. So caption really matters. So let us choose the caption that is really catchy to the readers because it is our way to communicate to buyers. Most of the time, if nagpo-promote ako ng product na hindi ko personal na nabili, is to have an idea on how to write a very good caption is aside from research, binabasa ko po lahat ng mga positive comments ng mga buyers doon po sa Shopee or sa Lazada to have a great idea on how to write the best caption.